ALZHIME'S has been absolutely phenomenal, and you just deserve a massive, massive pat on the back for what you've done. I think everybody's got a wee story. My old boy had ALZHIME'S, and the four lads, we could have cried ourselves to sleep at night every night because he wasn't the man he was, and over time we did. So, and I know that many in the room will be in exactly the same position, and that's what this is about. So, apparently, well, when you came in for the television, and I wouldn't charge you, and so we've gone from strength to strength as a company, CRL, and we tried to put as much as we can back into the community. So I said to him there'll be a 50-inch television as the first prize tonight, so for the draw, and it'll end up being whatever it'll be. They'll come up and pick whatever they want, I suppose. But thanks for inviting us. It is a pleasure, mate. So we're getting out a few Saturday afternoons now. She's getting too much drink. But and it is a massive pleasure because there's a fella on my left that we were at school with. We were talking about he's made his first guitar in a class that we were in at IT at the grammar school. So everybody had. I couldn't play the guitar, but yeah, it was hard. And put the tension on, and then the next, that was it. So the first act today, you listen to your bill, that's what I've come for, to come to see you. I introduced him to the Beatles. The first act today is the great asset from Workington, been absolute rock of the music scene for 40 years in the town now. Buzz Elliott.
Thank you, Mark. Cheers. I was just saying to Mark, wouldn't it be great if we could go back to school, know what we know now? Might do things slightly differently. Somebody, well, when I used to play in the Bullfrogs, we always used to start with a song called Train. It's an instrumental by Santana. Somebody once said to me, you know, you should never start with an instrumental, it's a bad idea. But I don't agree with that. So I'm going to start with an instrumental. It's my little tribute, and put some thought out towards the Ukraine. It's a Ukrainian love song called Dark Eyes. Just cancel out the previous thing in the loop. This next song, I'm sick of playing it, but Grandma always asks for it, so here it goes. Once I thought I saw you in a crowded, hazy bar, dancing on the lights from star to star, far across the moonbeams. I know that's where you are. Once I saw your brown eyes turn to fire. You are like a hurricane, there's calm in your eye, and I'm getting blown away. Summer sitting where the feelings stay. I wanna love you, I just get blown away. Just get blown away. Just a dreamer, and you are just a dream. You could have been anyone to me. From the day you touched my lips, that perfect moment when time just slips away between us on our foggy trip. You are like a hurricane, there's calm in your eye, and I'm getting blown away. Somewhere safe from where the feelings stay. Wanna love ya, I just get blown away. Just get blown away. Where the feelings stay. I wanna love you, I just get blown away. Just get blown away.